The issues that the farmers face, especially in the border areas, are the main concern of the newly elected member from Mauhati. Speaking to media person Charles Marngar said that he had taken up the issue in the recently concluded budget session of the Assembly on the issue of the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council KAAC of Assam collecting taxes from vehicles carrying broomsticks in areas belonging to Meghalaya, wherein the Chief Minister Conrad Sangma assured that he would take up the issue with his counterpart. He further said that he is waiting for a response whether the state government takes up the problems faced by the border residents. He also said that he has met the Chief Executive Member CEM of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, Tita Starwell Kine, who assured him that he will write to the KAAC counterpart.
Forest Department juga District Council ke jongi banlet ya kita jaka kisau santli jaka kiba tani ke Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council kabu ikini ki gates ban krong khajana kabaki ai kerteng jaru mahaldar te nakaliang ke jonga nga api kata ngan pet ke ai babi nanta api lada ipenslam ya gajing kran gajing krong khajana kaya managsi jelada kaya gajing krong khajana managsi ipai ba jongi babli kumangaong kawai keman rapi op kador bagi haban siu khajana kala poi khasana jar te kala dei gajing e ga khrau yaki nongrap ke jongi